Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm telling about my experience about on mock AI interview. The interview details or the mock interview platform I have used is Fram. The date of an interview is April 20, 2025. The type of interview is technical plus behavior. I'm targeting the companies at least same. The questions are asked and my responses are why do you want to work at Atlassian? My response is I admire Atlassian's focus on collaboration tools as developer productivity. Products like Jira and Confluence have a big impact on how team work. I want to contribute to tools that empower developers and simplify project management. How do we approach debugging a complex issue in a web app? I start my reproducing the bug and checking logs or error messages. Then I use a browser dev tools and isolate the issue. If I needed, I write small test cases on experiment in isolations. Explain a situation where you improved a performance in a project. My responses is in one project, the blog app loads time was high. I identify large image files and redundant API calls as a bottlenecks. I implemented lazy loading and optimizing API calls by catching data. These changes reduces page and load time by 40%. How do you manage conflict in a team? I try to understand everyone's perspective first. If we see disagreement, if a disagreement arises, I encourage a open discussion and focus on the project goals. Recently, during UI design, two teamworks had differing views. I proposed a quick prototype and user feedback session, which helped us decide objectively. What's your approach to learning new technologies? I follow official documentation and build small side projects to apply what I learned. For example, I recently explored Next.js by creating a portfolio site which helped me understand SRR and routing better. What one mistake you made in the project and how did you handle it? Once I once I developed a bug of an octave to production due to missing test coverage. I immediately rolled back the release, add the necessary test, and update our CI pipeline to catch such issues. I was a valuable lesson in the importance of robust testing. I learned that feedback from AI is strong understanding of a practical problem solving, effective communication of past experience can enhance the responses with measurable metrics or out, outcomes from consistently. My experience and learnings on this mock AI interview helped me and evaluate how to present my experience and approach problem solving. The feedback highlighted the importance of quantifying impact and show me areas where I can more specific. It also gave me the insights into how to better prepare for behavioral scenarios in a top tech companies or to reach my goal. Thank you.